parents, guardians. Your child is not doing well.
Guys, can we turn the heating up? About to go turn the heating up.
We have to, yeah, we gotta turn the heat up.
So go turn it up.
Social emotional learning program. Oh my God. Family school consultation. You're gonna have to clean all that up. I'm busy.
Yeah.
Okay. Znači, napišem mama sreću i ovdje. Okay, so I'll just put like the big letters.
And then he's like, and like both of them are watching TV. How do you say TV in Serbian?
Televizor.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
A TV isto.
Will he start flapping his wings again?
No, not right now. He's eating.
Oh yeah, he is. So cute. Okay.